there, thank you for taking a moment to watch this video, and on this specific training we're going to continue our Salesforce integration and setup. This is just one video that's part of a series of videos, so make sure you watch all of the videos to make sure that you've got your Salesforce org set up to take full advantage of the PhoneBurner integration. Now in this specific training we're going to talk about the accounts object, and more specifically we're actually going to go through a dial session starting from the accounts object. At this point, we have added the Begin Account PhoneBurner Session button to this object. Now all we have to do is identify the specific list that we want to call. In this case, I'm just working from my accounts, but you're going to want to create different lists with different filters to identify the exact accounts that you want to focus on. Once you've created those lists and you've loaded that list, then you're ready to select those records and begin your Account PhoneBurner Session. Now there's a little bit of setup to get started, so I'm going to go ahead and speed through that. Now that we're connected, I'm ready to start powering through my account call. So I'm going to click on Start Dialing. And what you'll notice is this iframe that shows up in the dial session window is going to be the account details. And of course, if they don't answer, it goes to voicemail. I don't have to listen to the entire greeting. I don't have to wait for the beep. I just click the voicemail button and I move on to the next call. Now, of course, if somebody answers live, there's no pause, no delay, no awkward silence. I just start talking to them, and at some point, I'm going to click Live Answer, and I'm going to end the call when I'm done talking to them. Now I want to take just a couple moments here to help you understand what you can do in this dial session window. Now remember, this is an iframe that's showing you the account details pulled from Salesforce. And you can actually edit the fields right here in this iframe. So let's say I connected with somebody at Bullfrog Manufacturing, and I want to make some updates based off that conversation. I just need to double click on any of these fields, make my edits, and then I just need to remember to save that. Once I save it, PhoneBurner is going to send those updates to Salesforce, and it's going to be updated in Salesforce at this point. If I need to create a note, I can create a note right here in the dial session window. And then I save it. If I've determined I need to follow up with them or create a follow-up task, I can click on Create Follow-up Task. Add all my details and save. Again, once I save that, that is saved in Salesforce. If I'm making calls to accounts and I want to view the past history, the activity history for that specific account, I can click on Activity History, and you'll see all of the activity history for that account. In fact, you can see the activity that I just created for this account listed here now. If I need to review any past notes, I can click on the Notes tab there, and I can view all of the past notes. Again, I'm actually able to see the note that I just created here as well. And if there's anything that I need to do to this account that I can't do here in the dial session window, I just click on this Edit in Salesforce link right here. When I click on that, that's going to open up a new tab and take me to the full account details where I can do anything I want or need to that's available in my Salesforce account. And then once I'm done with this specific call, I just click the disposition down here that makes the most sense based off of the outcome of the call. So let's say I set an appointment with this account. I'm going to click the Set Appointment button. And then I'm off to the next call. Now let's jump back over to Salesforce. And I want to show you one more thing related to this call. Let's go ahead and refresh this record. I want to point out that after each call, every time you click on a disposition, PhoneBurner is going to log a closed activity back to that account. So here you can see the call with PhoneBurner set appointment was logged today. And that's it. That's how simple it is for your team to start getting more done in less time using the power of PhoneBurner. Thanks again, and happy dialing.